and today I am showing you a new game. I'm very excited for it, and you don't need any devices that take up electricity. You don't need electricity. You don't need to charge your iPad. You only need a single sheet of paper. When you're on a long trip that can take hours and hours to go to that place, you can take that game and play. It's not heavy. It's so fun. When you're out on a long journey, you can make one of these and put it in your bag. Okay. Then you can play it in any place you go. And you can do it in any vehicle. I'll give you two examples. Car and train. When you're out on a long journey, you can make one of these and you can put it in your backpack and play with your parents in any vehicle you're in, but certainly not the one who's driving it. No. The minimum amount of people required to play this game is 2. Only 2. We need a perfect square, so we are folding like this. Cut off the rectangle part though. Don't cut off the triangular bit. Only cut off this part. Done. I am literally done. Okay, so now we have here, so we're gonna fold this. Okay, we need to put our left, and we have to fold it again. Okay, so I did it. I folded now. So I am going to fold this here so we get this one complete. I practiced so many times yesterday, so that's why I'm so good at it now. Yes, it had lots of fails. After folding like this and inserting your fingers, also part of it, then it will become cups that you can put your fingers in and you can play like this. You need these 2 fingers and you can do like this. Okay? You have to write down numbers and letters, and you have to color, and you also have to write an activity, like no TV or iPad after this game, 10 minutes, jump 10 times, tell 6 times tables, go down and come, make another one of these, make it reverse like this, and we need to color it. How many pills are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, it's 8. The right color. The 8. So we need 8 pencils, Mom. 8. Okay, but we are going to open and we are going to write. We're going to write the activities here as well as here. 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 Okay, so, okay, this is how it will look like after coloring. You have to write activity inside this. There will be 2 activities for each number or color. So, like this, clap in all the directions. Like this, clap in all the directions. Jump 10 times. Read 1 book after this game. No TV or iPad for 10 minutes after this game. Draw 1-year picture. Make your friend to tell yes. Go down and come. Tell 6 times tables. Okay? So these are all of them. So this is the test of play. Now I'll show you how to play. Okay? So flip it and put it like this. And insert your fingers. Okay, so this is very easy. So, and after folding and inserting fingers, it will look like this. And it will not come as you would expect. Yeah, this is what it will look like after folding and inserting your fingers. Okay, so here's how to do it. Vertical, horizontal. Inside these, you'll have numbers. When playing, you should tell which number do you want.
Which number or which color do you want?
Which number or which color do you want? Then your friend or parent will choose. Okay, so like this. which number do you want?
I want number 2.
Number 2?
Yep.
Really? That's jump 10 times.
Oh.
So like this, you have to play. Okay? And this is the end of the video. Bye. Bye. This is the end of today's episode. And bye. I'll catch you next time. Bye. This day.